Valentine on the way from Philadelphia. Mark the anniversary. Someone that I used to be. Feels like a warrior. Sound from my rest. Baby, you got me checking in my rear view mirror. That's why I'm always on the run. That's why I changed my name. I didn't think you'd ever find me here. Send me Valentine, like a forgotten dream, like a pebble in my shoe, as I walk these streets, the ghost of your memory, baby, it's a thistle in the kiss. It's the burglar that can break a rose's neck. It's the tattoo, broken promise. I gotta hide beneath my sleeve. I'm gonna see you every time I turn my back. We're trying to remain at large. They're insisting that our love must have a eulogy. Well, do I say all this madness here in the nightstand room that are home upon my shore? Baby, I know I'll be luckier. Walk around everywhere I go with his blind, broken heart sleeps beneath my lapel. Still, he's smooth. Valentine, remind my cardinal sin. I can never wash the guilt. Won't get these blood stains on my hand. It takes a whole lot of whiskey to make these nightmares go away. I cut my bleeding heart out every night. If I'm gonna die just a little more each St. Valentine's Day, don't you remember? I promised I would write you